my name is Sarah Priday and I am the Pre-Construction Manager at SWG Construction. I'm going to talk to you a bit about the jobs that are available in construction and career pathways, education pathways into those careers. Okay, I'll start with why choose construction. Essential work to drive the economy forward. It's a major player in the UK economy. People who work in construction help to share the world around them, and they build everything that you're looking at, your schools, your hospitals, your homes, the roads that you travel on, absolutely everything. And construction suits people from a multitude of backgrounds and boasting a wide range of different skills. Construction never stands still. There are lots of long-term prospects. I've been in the industry for over 30 years now and never a shortage of jobs at all. Do we have to start on a building site? Nope, I never have. I went into construction as a quantity surveyor. I worked part-time doing my degree at the University of Central England, which is now Birmingham University. I do go to site, yes, but no, I've never spent any long amount of time on site. But there are a range of different jobs which I'm going to talk to you about. Some are site-based, but a lot of them are office-based. The Construction Industry Training Board have also said that there will be around 45,000 more construction vacancies this year. Year on year, the sector is growing, never short, always short of skills, never short of jobs. Salaries, good salaries, starting salary of 20,000 for an apprentice bricklayer on site, going up to, you can earn over £100,000 in construction. You can own your own business, but you can be a senior manager. Once you learn the skills, it's a job for life. How safe is construction? The record is improving. It's a very important priority at all times. Noise, dust, dirt, dangerous materials, carefully controlled. Everybody that goes on site has health and safety training. Everybody's very aware of it, and we all share responsibility for it. Being a woman in construction, women make up around 14%. Professionals, 14% are construction professionals, 1% are construction workers. There's still a rare thing on site seeing a lady doing a professional, but I've seen plumbers, I've seen decorators. There are people out there, and it is becoming more and more prevalent. More and more people are doing it. Right, so here's some roles then. These are the office-based roles to start with. Estimator, which is what I've been. I was a quantity surveyor for a while, then I became an estimator. Now I'm managing the estimating side of things. Now the estimator works out all the information, takes all the information off a drawing and puts it into a format that you can read and price and come up with a price for the whole job. Very interesting job. If you like building, you're looking at drawings all the time, you convert that into a cost and you come up with a tender amount. Salary starting about 20,000, upwards of 40,000 when you're experienced. Qualifications, BTEC, HNC, HND, fine. I've got a degree. You don't need one. You just start, and you can learn on the job as you go through it. As long as you've got a good role model, it's absolutely fine. Quantity surveyors, slightly different. They do have to estimate, but generally they are placing orders with subcontractors and paying subcontractors. They're working on the contractual side and the legal side of a building contract. They send the bills into the client and sort out variations, and it's generally ongoing financial maintenance of a building contract. Newly trained surveyors earn £25,000 upwards to £65,000. A degree is probably a good idea. You can join the RICS as a chartered surveyor, which takes you on a different path, not in a construction company, but on a PQS side, a private quantity surveying side, project management side, which are people that work for the client direct and keep the constructions and the contractors in their place. Also in the construction company, you need an accountant. We all need accountants. We need payroll assistants. We need financial planners, all sorts of things. It's like every business. At the end of the year, you've got to produce a set of accounts. You've got to manage cash flow. You've got to plan your finances and budget control, carry out your profit forecasts, and everything that goes with that. On every business that exists, it needs an accountant. 25,000 starting salary up to 80,000 at the end. Accountancy, the better qualified you are, the better you get paid. You can start off doing your ACCA, and then you can work up to your CIMA, which is equivalent to a degree. It's the Chartered Institute of Management Accounts, which is equivalent to a degree in accountancy. Administrators, always need administrators. There's lots of stuff to be done. Scheduling and attending meetings, creating and maintaining the office system, purchasing office supplies, never-ending amount of office supplies, arranging meetings, and then you can go on and be more on the construction side as well. Technical documents for approval, arranging deliveries and logistics, liaising with subcontractors. 16 grand salaries up to 35 for senior administrators. GCSE in maths and English required. You learn on the job, basically. You can go on, you can do all sorts of administration courses and degrees. A buyer, responsible for making sure all the materials are delivered to site. So they're identifying potential suppliers and new products. They are contacting them, agreeing a price, agreeing a delivery time, making sure the stuff comes when it's needed. Mainly office-based, full-time, 25,000 to 35,000, upwards to 50,000 if you're very well experienced. No formal qualifications required. You do learn as you go along. It can be taught. Commercial manager, responsible for the financial management of projects. They oversee the quantity surveyors, and they'll look over all the contracts as a whole, and they preempt how the business is going. So the accountant will tell you what's happened. Your commercial manager will tell you what's going to happen, what they expect to happen. Very well paid. You probably do need a degree in quantity surveying, and most of them come from quantity surveying backgrounds. And then you go on construction directors and contracts managers, work your way up the tree. You can start off as a site manager, which I'll come to down here, who manages the site, but day-to-day working of a site, who goes where, when, how, and what. Then you work your way up to construction manager, who will work on a number of sites, and then director, who will oversee a number of contracts managers working on many sites. Degree, CIOB is usually good. You can do construction degrees, you can do building surveying degrees, all sorts that are relevant to the job. Good salary again, good starting salary, good finishing salary. Contracts managers, then it's part of an ongoing process. Health and safety, extremely important. Every construction company has to have a health and safety manager, either in the office themselves or a third party. And there's all sorts of stuff that we have to consider. We have to do risk analysis, and for every job that we do, and provide method statements to check that everything we are going to do is going to be done in a safe manner. Awful lot of health and safety training available, and it's ongoing. It's got to be updated annually for definite. You've got to keep on top of it. Business development, basically sorting out the trajectory of the business, meeting potential clients, working out who the potential clients are, who who else is in the market opportunities there. Financial projections and sales targets, sales meetings, marketing as well. There's an awful lot of marketing that needs to be done in a construction company. Yeah, again, good salary, good starting salary, very good finishing salaries. Site manager, then we've just touched on HNCs. Then onto the site roles, we've got carpenters. You keep training. Carpenters then will be, most of our sites, they'll start with the roof, they'll put the roof on, and then they'll go and put your internal partitions in, and then hang your doors, and then put the architraves and skirtings around, finish it off, fit the kitchen, all sorts of things on housing projects, commercial projects, much the same, just more of it. Training, you need to go to college. There's NVQs, you work your way up your NVQ levels. Good salary at the end of it though. Bricklayers then, we all need bricklayers. Very few jobs that don't have bricklayers on them. Good starting salary again. Self-employed bricklayers set their own pay rates. Great, we're always short of bricklayers. And then more technical, you've got the electricians and you've got your plumbers. You need some good GCSEs, and then you have to go and do an NVQ and diploma. You have to be qualified to be an electrician. They don't let you loose unless you know what you're doing. Very good salaries for those. Plasterers, then other decorators, lots of roles on site, roofers, just lots of roles, and very good money. It's all very good money. Right, I'm going to try and show you a video of a job that we're doing with Llanfyllin High School.
Hi, my name is Dewi Owen and I'm head teacher here at Ysgol Llanfyllin in the north of Powys. Just a word about our partnership with SWG Construction. It's been absolutely immense working with those people. The contribution that they've made to the curriculum has been excellent. The setting up of the SWG Construction Academy has been a really good experience for us and for our pupils. They came in, they've done assemblies, they come in to do the practical lessons, they have sponsored items of equipment for us, and it's had a huge impact on our curriculum within school, and I have no hesitation in endorsing them completely. So well done, SWG.
I like the new SWG Construction Academy because it is a new way of learning taught by people who work in the trade every day. I am also looking forward to the apprenticeship opportunities it may lead to.
So far this year, Keith from SWG come to teach us stud walling and carpentry work. I really enjoyed that because it's like practical for when we want to renovate houses or something. In the weeks approaching, we are going to do some plumbing work, which should be good as well.
Hi, my name is Robbie Wood, Director of Learning for Technology at Ysgol Llanfyllin. Working in partnership with SWG has been fantastic for us as a department. It has allowed us to deliver a new curriculum that gives the students a real-life context in which to develop their skills. The visiting SWG skilled tradespeople not only pass on valuable skills to our learners, but also act as positive role models. The Academy will definitely allow our students to realise their career opportunities within this industry.
Hello, my name is Dan Dyke. I'm a trainee / apprentice quantity surveyor at SWG Group. I'm currently working in the Shrewsbury office with the rest of the commercial department. I began my studies at the Marchers Academy, which is in Oswestry. From there I went on to do work experience with SWG Group. From that I was able to get myself a apprenticeship role with SWG, which means that now I'm studying up in the University of Wolverhampton on a day release basis. From that I'm able to bring back skills to the workplace, and then what I learn at work I'm able to take back to uni. It's been a great opportunity for me because it's enabling me to continue with my career.
Too much. Bring the nuts. Possibly the grass.